Welcome to Orange Services Inspection. If you have millions of dollars of production on the line, how can you really afford to guess if that energy chain is working correctly? This is really where the rubber hits the road for igus Orange Services. We offer pre-installation services, scope and plan your job correctly the first time. We offer BOM Guarantees to have the correct parts on site during installation. We're able to offer full system inspection reports after the system is brought online, and we pay attention to the small details that can compound and result in a system-wide failure. So really where we start is commissioning and startup. We want to confirm that the system is assembled to plan right out of the box. All the specs are verified on site by an igus professional, and all tolerances are adjusted to manufacturer specifications. Now, a step beyond that is we can offer annual or biannual checkups. We want to keep those systems running smoothly by keeping the energy chain within tolerances. We want to protect your investment and achieve maximum ROI. Through this, we can extend warranties beyond our basic 36-month guarantee for chain flex cables. We can even offer multiple year warranties with annual checkups. Through this, fleet programs is another way to save money. Through those annual checkups, we can minimize costs with inspections of multiple systems per trip. Create an asset list and recommended actions to keep those systems running at optimum levels. We want to make sure you always know the status of your machines. Failure analysis. We're able to pick apart exactly what caused the failure and how to avoid it in the future. Optimization reporting for underperforming systems and restoration plans for all types of machinery are also available. So inspection services are really at the core of what Orange Services has to offer. So please reach out through our website, download our brochure to see the full scope of what Orange Services can do for you, and thanks.